Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my entire SOP, standard operating procedure for writing Facebook ads, hooks, and scripts, and coming up with ad concepts. And this can apply to any ads you run on TikTok or Facebook or whatever. All of my students use this. This is exactly what I preach, and you can find this inside of my school and inside of my one-on-one coaching. I get so many questions about this, so I'm just going to give away for free on this YouTube video on my channel. All I ask is if you guys can please like, comment, and subscribe. That's it, guys. There's no edits in this video. If you guys watch my channel, this is how I record videos. I just give you guys value. Hope you guys can appreciate that, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's get right into it. So I'm just going to basically read through this. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I'll try to cover any objections or any questions you guys have about this. So everything starts with understanding what copywriting does, how powerful copywriting is, and really how important copywriting is. Your entire ad is just copywriting, and then obviously you have visuals that match your copywriting and your scripts. So basically, you just want to take a user from one place to another. If they don't know about your product, you want them to know about your product. If they have a problem, you want to present your solution. You're taking someone from point A to point B. Point A is your ad, point B is your website. Okay, so everything starts with market research. Everything you do is going to be from market research, understanding who you're advertising to, who is actually buying your products, and why. So this is how I do market research. TikTok comments, TikTok videos, looking at competitors' websites, looking at competitors' ads, looking at competitor reviews. YouTube is great. I really like looking at YouTube thumbnails and headlines about your product or niche or target market. Looking at YouTube comments are great as well. And honestly, probably my favorite, I should have said this first, is Amazon reviews. Finding your product or a similar product or a supplementary product, and reading through all the reviews, 5 stars through 1 stars. You can learn so much from the bad reviews, and you can learn so much from the good reviews. So reading those are like getting inside of the mind of your target market, of the person you're trying to sell to. How old are they? What do they want? What type of languages do they use? Why are they buying it? Are they buying it for someone else? Is it for their house? Whatever it may be, this is how you do market research and understand your target market better than they understand themselves. So write down any info and insights from your research, pain points, struggles, answered questions, claims, status, demographic. Write this all down into a Google Sheet or pen and paper, whatever you use. I use the Google Sheet to just keep track of this every time I do market research. So from there, you want to build your customer avatar. You should already know your customer avatar as you're doing this, but write it down. Who are they? How does my product help them? How old are they? Men, female, everything. Location, pain points. Find out, you want to get super specific, and you can probably build 1 to 5 customer avatars. Might be a little bit different, but find your core avatars, and your entire landing page, your entire website, all your ads should be made around this avatar that you have in your head. Okay, now once you know this, once you do step 1 and step 2, you can start to actually script your ad. And we start from the top down when making your ad. So always start with the hook. Again, always start with the hook. It is the most important part of your ad. Imagine if you're spending $1 on your ad, 80 cents of it is going to be spent on the hook, because if they don't watch the hook or the hook doesn't hook them, they're not going to watch the rest of the ad, so you're just wasting the rest of your ad. So just write 20 to 30 hooks. Just write them down. You can use ChatGPT to help inspire you to write hooks. What I like to do is go on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok and just scroll and just write down hooks that I find, and then I will tweak those hooks to match my product. For example, if you go on golf part of YouTube Reels, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, a lot of golf videos have really good hooks. And I use those hooks to tweak them and apply them to my product in a completely different niche. So your hook should be grabbing attention. What's in it for me? Why should I watch this video? Sparks curiosity. It should very easily point out a desire of the person watching. So like, why should they continue watching? You gotta pinpoint their desires. What awareness level, what level of market sophistication. I'll let you guys Google these. They're from Eugene Schwartz, Breakthrough Advertising. Here are 5 winning hooks examples that I've used in the past. This is for my gym bros who need an extra boost in the gym. POV, I'm not going to read all of these. Little known change, a Facebook ad manager can leave you owing thousands. The easiest way to fight the afternoon crash. Finally, there's a mentor that doesn't make my gut stick out. So all of these hit a certain desire and awareness level for the given target market. So yeah, just write 20 hooks and then pick your favorite 5 or 6 for your ad concepts you're actually going to test. Okay, so step 4, write the rest of your script. Start with the hook. Spark curiosity by writing a story line by line. Put your shoes into a customer. Put yourself into your customer's shoes, I think I should say, and write the story from their point of view. You want to be enthusiastic. You want to arouse curiosity and offer a reward. Create real urgency and handle objections in your ads. Basically, you're just handling objections. People have, when they see your ad, they're going to have questions, they're going to have objections, and you want to answer them in your ad with your unique selling propositions. Okay, so step 5, stages of writing. So get your rough draft. You're going to strategize your rough draft, and you're going to rewrite. You're going to cut out things. You're going to trim fat. You're going to make it flow. Read it out loud. Run it through 11 labs. Make sure the sentence sounds fluid. Make sure it just sounds real. It shouldn't sound salesy. And from there, you can take your AI voice in your rough draft and send it off to your editor. You can use Viral Ecom ads, and you can submit your scripts and hooks in Viral Ecom ads. There'll be a link down below to get 8% off of your first ad package. But yeah, that's it. I know I went through this pretty quick, but if you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below. And a lot of this can be found by reading books like Breakthrough Advertising. It's an absolute amazing book. There's a PDF online you can find, or if you guys can't find it, just DM me on Instagram and I'll send it to you. But this is my complete SOP, guys, and I really hope it helps. And yeah, start testing better ads and find more winning ads and start scaling your ad account. All right, guys, peace.